Hello there's, I'm Katia from Dream Hata, and today I'll tell you about 17 places in Kyiv that are worth visiting. You can do all of them in one day only. I've lived in Kyiv for 5 years. I've had my ups and downs, but these places I always love to come back to. So come with me. If you don't arrive to the airport, you will probably arrive by train. The train system is very developed in Ukraine all the way since Soviet Union. There are very old trains and very new intercity ones. And the train will bring you to Vokzal, the Kyiv train station. Welcome to Kyiv! There are always people at the Kyiv train station, no matter when you arrive. And at times it can be intimidating. But then you see this beautiful hall that was probably built during the Tsar in Russia, and then you think, wow. Go out of the train station, turn left and jump into the metro or subway. Use your Visa card to swipe and avoid lines that are trying to buy those coins to enter the subway. There are 3 lines, red, green and blue. You will start at Vokzal station on the red line and go to Teatralna, then walk over to Golden Gates. Zoloty Vorota is one of the deepest and is my favorite Kyiv subway station. From here, if you go up the escalator, you will be able to reach the Golden Gates of Kyiv, which used to be the entrance to the city for every merchant that came here before. According to a legend, if anything fell down from a horse cart here at Golden Gates, then it would stay as a tax to Kyiv city. There was a little step to make the horses trip, so the tax will stay here. Find a cat statue in front of the Golden Gates, make a wish, rub the cat, and your wish will come true. It just rained, but the sun came out. It means that our walk is gonna be nice. And this is my friend Tanya from Belarus. We are taking the walk on my favorite part of Kyiv. Check out this most beautiful house in the world on the beginning of Yaroslaviv Val Street. One day I'll buy it and live there. Meanwhile, right after the house, if you walk into an arc, you will find friends and lovers, and it's also our first time in this place. It's empty because of the rain. What a blessing! You can find food of any taste in Kyiv. Just had a coffee in this magical place, and now we continue on to Yaroslaviv Val. This is an ancient Kyiv street that is still hustling and bustling. You can find a lot of very nice places there, and let's explore together. I feel like this place has been here forever. It was definitely here in 2006 when I came to Kyiv as a student for the first time. You can buy traditional Ukrainian breads with different stuffings inside. Cabbage, potato, meat, cherry, cottage cheese, spinach, and so on. They are literally always busy. Let's pass by some beautiful buildings, some shops and coffee shops until we reach Peyzazhna Alley, my favorite place in Kyiv. Because here you can find beautiful murals and mosaics on the walls with weird benches and seats. Like sitting in a cat's mouth or on top of a fake roof, or hands holding a bench made of wood, and a lot of very cool playgrounds, which are beautiful, look very much in balance and harmony with the surroundings, and look very fun for kids. There are also many statues and a beautiful natural view on Peyzazhna Alley. We have even organized a meditation here once. Do you recognize this guy? Let me know in comments. At the end of Peyzazhna Alley, we will walk to the right to find a very old tree. The linden tree, very much loved by Mohyla, the head of the church in 17th century and the founder of Kyiv Mohyla Academy, and people have come here so much that there is a fence around the tree. And here are the remains of the oldest church of Kyiv Rus, which was burned down by the Mongolian Han Bati in 1240 with a lot of people inside. From here, walk back to Peyzazhna Alley and turn left. There you will find stairs. Walk down the stairs to Vozdvyzhenska, a newly built neighborhood in Podil, the lower part of the city. It's very good looking and the buildings are stylish. There are many hipster coffee shops and other different shops. That is to say, the buildings are not very stable, so don't buy the apartment here, but go there for sure to enjoy.
This is a store of luxury goods. You can only sign up by QR code to come here, and only on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So if you want to spend a lot of money and see some unique collections, maybe it's for you.
From Vozdvyzhenska Street, we walked down to the big street and turned right and ended up on the Zhytnii market or rye market. It's outside for the season. There are many fruit and vegetables that are sold even from the owners, and it's very beautiful and smells very, very nice. If you want to buy some local goodies, come here to the Zhytnii market. Walk straight from the market and across the street to the left you will find Honey, a coffee shop and a bakery with amazing, beautiful baked goodies. Okay, I'm not into pretty but more like tasty, but Tanya appreciates both, so she got herself this plum pretty cake. And it was tasty, she said. From here, walk down to Kontraktova Square, a place where all students meet up. There is a statue of wandering philosopher of Ukraine, Hryhory Skovoroda. You can also find him on 500 hryvnia, and Kyiv Mohyla Academy, one of the oldest schools in Ukraine. From Kontraktova Square, you can walk onto Poshtova Square, which is where you will see Dnipro, the biggest river in Ukraine, and the river that divides Kyiv into two parts.
This is a new art space inside an old river port, and now you can smoke a shisha and you can eat down there. Art shisha. You can stand next to a weird person who's going to make some weird movements next to you. Look over here. This is a social realism art.
Yes, it is.
Leftovers of our past traumas.
Take some time to wander around the river station and check out what they have to offer. Enjoy the paintings, listen to the music, hang out. Also engage yourself in some people watching. Like look over at those who are looking at the river and taking pictures by the river. Everyone comes here to do something of their own. Someone smokes shisha, and we are about to go downstairs and have a snack. There are many places here who cater to tourists and locals, and most of them are a bit overpriced, but if you want to have a beautiful river view, you will go for some grilled corn for 50 hryvnia, which the normal price is around 20. Finish your meal in a plastic plate and watch the sunset over the river. Then walk up to Funicular, the very weird kind of transport which looks like a tram that brings you down and up on the same hill. We will use this funicular to get up to Sofia Square. Behind me is Mohyla Church, St. Michael, and in front of me is St. Sofia. Really recommended to go inside and climb up. You will have a beautiful Kyiv view. But wait, I forgot to tell you about one more beautiful place. It's Shevchenko Park. Shevchenko was a national poet. No, not the football player. And the university is named after him, the park is named after him, and this is where I used to chill as a student. A very beautiful green oasis in the middle of the city. I hope you enjoy Kyiv and all the magic it has to offer. Please let me know in comments down below what other places in Ukraine you would like to hear about. If you want to see more of my videos about Ukraine, traveling around Ukraine, mindfulness and meditation, click down here to subscribe to my channel. Next video I'll show you Vinnytsia, my hometown, and I'll leave the link down below once it's out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember, only you decide how bright you shine. It was Katia all the way back from Ukraine. See you again soon.